Hi friends, here's a fun recipe to make gingerbread at home. I have not tried it yet, but if you do, try this. Let me know how it comes out. It looks like it's really good. And talking about gingerbread, here is a gingerbread pattern on brown that you can cut out and make at home. I'm going to send you one candy cane and some white paint that looks like frosting. So thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below, and we're going to do cutting. Cut. Remember, turn your paper, keep your hand still. Okay? And if you go slow enough, it won't get choppy. But if it does, that's okay. This cutting should be fun. It's almost ready. Think about how you might decorate your gingerbread. It's yours and anything you want. You can put candy cane anywhere you want. Put it on the head, on the feet. You decide what you can use for eyes, the nose, buttons, anything you want. We will be sending home white paint as frosting, but then you can decide. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.